You know, Mrs. Merrill, once I made a PowerPoint all about water parks.
Oh yeah?
Yep, it had lots of slides.
Ugh, PowerPoint is great for all sorts of things, but this feature might just make the biggest splash.
That's right. Immersive Reader is Microsoft's free tool that helps improve reading for people regardless of their age or ability.
To use Immersive Reader in PowerPoint, click on the View tab, then click Immersive Reader. Doing so will launch the feature and allow any text found on the slides to be read aloud.
This is especially powerful for younger students who may need the visual images to better understand the text.
Absolutely. Immersive Reader also has the ability to translate the text into different languages. So if your student speaks a different language, they'll still be able to understand the information found on your slide.
Providing an opportunity for your students to better understand your content has never been easier. So start building your PowerPoint and take a dive today.